All right, here we go. Our lesson 36 phonics. Say damp. Drop what's left. Da. Say pump. Drop what's left. Puh. Say limp. Drop what's left. Li. Say jump. Drop what's left. J. Excellent job. Here we go for our phonics today. Let's read our sentence. Ready? She saw the cause of the crash. So our phonics pattern is AW says ah as in saw, and AW says AU says ah as in cause. And if you notice the AU is in the middle, there's always going to be something after AU. It will never be at the end of words, but saw can be at the end of words. AW can be at the end of words. Excellent. Let's go ahead and do our phonics review. Here we go. Ah, ah. Dull, ah, ah. Oo and you. R, I, n, till, bull, ah, gull, I, e, ah, pull, f, oi, oi, ow. Excellent job. Let's go ahead and do our reading our mixed vowels. Here we go. Ready? Look, sound, brass, read brass. Look, sound, crawl, read crawl. Look, sound, jar, read jar. Look, sound, ale, read hail. Look, sound, Oz, read pause. Look, sound, moist, read moist. Look, sound, raw, read raw. Look, sound, employ, read employ. Look, sound, crowns, read crowns. Look, sound, all, read hall. Look, sound, stretched, read stretched. Look, sound, alt, read fault. Look, sound, j-a, read j. Look, sound, boiling, read boiling. Look, sound, cause, read cause. Look, sound, all, read stall. Look, sound, saw, read saw. Look, sound, broil, read broil. Look, sound, oi. Read Troy. Look, sound. Laws. Read laws. Look, sound. Oiled. Read spoiled. Look, sound. Ons. Read fawns. Excellent job. Here we go on our syllables. Our first word is haircut. Snap it. Haircut. So it has 2 syllables, and I notice it has 2 words. It's a compound word. The first word is hair. The second is cut, and it's a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So I split it in between the consonants. Our second word is master. Snap it. Master. Once again, I see that I have a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, so I'm going to have 2 syllables and split it between the syllables. I think we're going to try it a little differently today, and I'll split it this way. All right, so the next word is unhurt. Let's snap it. Unhurt. I see vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, so I'm going to split it between my 2 consonants. All right. Our next word is ugly. Let's snap it. Ugly. I see vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So I'm going to split it between the 2 vowels. All right. Now, my last word is basketball. Let's sound that one out. Basketball. Ooh, it has 3 syllables. I see vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So I would split it between the 2 consonants here. And then I see vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, and I split it in between those consonants. Excellent job. All right, let's go ahead and write some words. Here we go. Number 1. Now, if you would like to, you can pause it after I say the word and try to write this word all by yourself, and then then play it again and see if you got it right. So the first word we're going to write is dime. If you want to, pause it now, and then when you're done writing it, then unpause it and see if you got it right. D, D, I, M, and I know there's an E at the end that makes the I say I. Number 2. Number 2 is coil. K, oi. I remember we just learned OI says oi. Coil. Number 3. Hope. O. And remember, if the O says O, then there should be an E at the end to make the O say O. And our last phonics word for this lesson is fault. All. O-A-U says ah. Fault. And that's how you spell fault. Excellent job on your phonics today.